This represents one side of a Monopoly board. The players start on start. The first player can choose to move 7 spaces. Or they can roll 2d6 and move that amount. 6, 7, 8, 9. Once they're there, they can either pay the rent or buy the property at half price. If it's a community or chance chest, they have to draw a card from the community or chance deck and follow the instructions on the card, such as pay another player $50. If they can't pay, then they can ask another player for help. If no player can pay the fee, then the players lose and the banker wins. If they roll doubles, they can go again. But if they roll doubles 3 times, they go to jail. Also, if they land on the go to jail spot, they also go to jail or draw a card that sends them to jail. They cannot move once they're in jail, but they can collect money through various means or be targeted by a card that targets players. To get out of the jail, they have to wait 3 turns and pay $50 or roll doubles before that. The player can also choose to go backwards on the board rather than forwards. The banker goes after every player goes and must go forward 7 spaces. If the banker owns the property, then they can upgrade it if they can afford it. This is decided by rolling the d6. On an odd number, it can't upgrade it, and on an even number, it has to pay the amount. And if there's a house or a hotel available, then it can upgrade it. If the player lands on a space on the same space as the banker, and the banker owns that property, the player can charge the banker 10% of what the property is worth. If the banker does not own the property, then it must pay rent like a regular player. The game ends once the bank loses 50% of its net worth or all the players go bankrupt.